Hey friends, if you wish to fix printer in error state on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now first of all, right click on the start button, select settings, go to the Bluetooth and devices tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down in the right pane and go to printers and scanners. You'll find your printer here, click on it, remove it, and then you can re-add it. Okay, add a device and then search for it and then re-add it. Okay, so this is one thing. But the second thing is that you can also update the printer driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for printers if you have them or print queues and update all the printer drivers. The last solution is to run the printer troubleshooter. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab. In the right pane, scroll down to troubleshoot and click on it. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the printer troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.